Yoruba for Kids channel. By the way, Baoni. Do you guys know the answer? Adewale, Baoni, Dadani. Okay, so if you guys don't know yet, why we created this channel is because that we are learning Yoruba and our parents are teaching us, and we thought it would be fun to take you guys on this fun journey with us. So today we're going to be doing a challenge, so let's get to it. Okay guys, today we have 2 members of the Yoruba for Kids Club.
Welcome.
Kini orúkọ ẹ, orúkọ mi ni Ademilade. Kini orúkọ ẹ, orúkọ mi ni Ademiju. Cool. Okay, so how we're going to do this challenge is that we have a variety of foods that we're supposed to try. And so if you get the food correct, then you get the Yoruba word and the English word, you get 2 points. If you only get the English word, you get 4 points. If you don't get the food at all, you get 1 point. So let's get to the challenge. Okay, one more thing. We're going to be timed. We're only going to have 15 seconds. Oh, and by the way, we're going to be blindfolded. Ow. Okay, so let's get to the first food. What the? What is this? Oh, I think I know. Oh, I know what it is. Oh, I think I know. I know what it is. Yeah, I know what it is. Ew. Rainbows? Oh, I know what this is for sure. Ew. Wait, what? Okay. I don't know what is that? I just dropped it. Okay, the cameraman's gonna take it away, guys. So, where's my Okay. Oh my god, it's on my hand. Yeah, I think it's that. I'm so scared. I know. I'm freaking out right now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. The minute I sniffed it, I was like, hold up, what? I thought it was like something else. I thought it was something at first. Yeah, it was just like, wait, what? Okay, guys, let's read out our answers. Okay. Mine was tomato. I put tomato and tatashe. I put tomato and tomati. I put tomato. Okay guys, it's time for the next one. I'm scared. I smell like Subway sandwiches. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, I know what this is. It's so obvious. It's so obvious. Our eyes would... Okay, I think okay. I know. Oh no, my eyes. I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like this. I don't think. Wait, I think my jaw is it drop? Oh wait. I don't like this. Yeah, I wouldn't like this if we tasted it. Time's up, guys. You guys can take over blank note. Okay. I think you spell it. Okay, time to show our answers. My answer is pepper and tatashe. My answer is onion. I didn't know that you're a bad word for it. Okay, my answer my answer for the second one was onion, but I didn't know yours. My answer was onion. Okay. Let's see who got the correct answer. Oh, yo, let me tell her that. That day that she taught us Yoruba lessons. Okay, guys, so we just found out the real answer, and the answer was onion. But none of us knew what the Yoruba answer was, but the real one was alubasa. Let's do this. Oh,
Can we
yeah.
smell it?
I think I smell. Yeah, I know what this is. I know what this is. I know. I already know. I don't. It's the minute I smelled it, I know what it is.
I can't remember.
I forgot. I do.
I remember what it is.
Oh wait. Oh no.
It's something that seems like something we like, but it's disgusting.
Oh, I know.
Seriously?
Oh my god.
You gotta be kidding me.
This
No, I don't like this. I don't like it.
What?
I squashed it.
Yuck.
I squashed it with my feet.
I know what it is. I know
what it is.
exactly. I'm sure I'm
Can we
gonna
take off
get
the
2
blindfold?
points this time. I know what it is.
Take all this off. Okay, move this. Let me write my answer. Is there any on my face? No, that's disgusting on your face.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, guys, time to show our answers.
My answer was banana ogede.
My answer was banana, and I didn't know there was banana. My answer was banana, and I said ogede for the about it.
Banana ogede.
Okay.
Yes.
So we just found out that the correct answer is banana and ogede. So yeah.
2 points.
I'm gonna.
Oh, I knew it since the show.
I ate this.
Yeah, me too. Oh, I think I know this one.
Can I eat it?
Aw, but it's like,
I want
here you go. No, the exact thing.
We eat it today. Okay, let's show our answers.
My answer is chicken edie.
My answer is chicken adja. My answer is chicken adja.
Chicken edie.
Yes! So we got it right.
Yep.
I didn't even have to like. I already done. Where is it? Blindfold off, everyone.
This is easy.
I think that's how you say it. So, more easy. Don't open it. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay, guys, let's show our answers. Today we like to eat the first.
My answer was rice and iresi.
My answer was rice and iresi.
My answer was rice and iresi. My answer was rice and iresi.
Yay! The answer was correct.
What is this?
Oh,
I want it.
I know this. I know this.
Please. Please, I want to eat it. How about this? Let's eat.
Okay, time to answer them. This is easy.
Yeah.
Wait, okay. Okay, let's show our answers.
My answer was popcorn and guguru.
My answer was popcorn and guguru. My answer was popcorn and guguru.
My answer was popcorn, but I didn't know the name, by the way.
Yeah! on me.
That would be
I know what it is.
me too. Can I take my blind?
I want to taste my hands. I can't taste it. All I can taste is all the other food.
I know what it is.
Okay, guys, let's show our answers.
My answer was orange, but I didn't know the Yoruba word.
My answer is tangerine, but I didn't know the Yoruba
My answer was orange, and I said awesome.
My name is Orange, and I didn't know the Yoruba word.
Yeah, 2 points! Oh god, oh god, oh god, Mom.
What is this thing?
Seriously?
What is it? I don't know what that was.
Okay, let's write down our answers.
I have no idea.
What this is?
Wait. Slimy.
Don't look at my answer.
I'm just gonna answer.
I know what this is. I know what it is.
Do you know the Yoruba word for it?
No.
I do, because I did cooking class on it.
Check that one out. I think I know it.
Make sure to check that cooking class out when I was cooking Jojo, Ela, and all those other kind of stuff.
On yourpepperkid.com.
I know what it is. When I just
Look at your paper.
Oh my god! Timmy, you got it out wet. That's because it's so.
Okay, let's show our answers.
Okay,
Mine was oil.
mine was oil, but I didn't know the Yoruba word.
Mine was oil, and the answer was aura, because I did this on
Cooking class.
on my cooking class, yeah. And yeah, I said aurora.
It's oil, and I didn't know the Yoruba word.
That's what I wrote. I wrote it anyway, so I got it correct.
I got 2 points. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. How many foods can you guys identify in your home in Yoruba? Make sure to subscribe and to
Smash that like button!
but don't break your screen. Adabo!